I think so.
Just because your phone sucks.
I wouldn't be surprised, but if we don't...
Truth.
Is it in gear?
It went off, right?
Did it?
Yeah, the light was on.
That switch actually works.
Yeah, mine does too. I don't know why
Wow.
it would have that option, but I think... Maybe you got oil in it? A lot of oil?
Smile, Curtis.
Got oil in the motor?
That was a big fuck you.
Yeah. Little bit.
Zoom in, you ding dong.
Why?
Zoom out either.
This is awkward. Stupid Kickstarter.
Ooh, she's barking.
Choke on?
That was. Historically, once it makes any noise, then you start without the choke.
Wow. Mine don't do that.
Yeah, but that was when it was running weird.
Pretty hot day though.
Yeah. Why don't you get on it and start it the normal way?
Because the bike has to be leaned over this way.
Right,
And so my foot would be over there, and then I would just fall.
Yeah, okay, that's fair. Ooh, this is exciting.
I hit the horn. I'm glad to hear that.
I'd hate to find out that happened naturally. How about choke no throttle?
That's what I was doing, and then it made noise and then it stopped.
I couldn't imagine it would fly.
It's pretty cold. Just keep trying. It's also a brand new start, so
Yeah.
it's gonna be probably a pretty hard start for the first time.
The cars are probably completely set weird.
Yeah.